What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we are going up here to the dealership, man. We're going to check on these lots and see if they was able to move any of these cars, guys. I rode by here the other day, and I think I saw a wide-body scat just out here in the snow, guys. So we're going to go up here and see what's up. A lot of people been hitting me up, asking me, the dealership's starting to move cars. And from what I can see, guys, it looks like it's still the same situation. Markups, inventory overload. So we're gonna go up here and see what's going on. I'm curious myself to see what's up here on the lot. And we got snow the other day, so these cars may be covered in snow. So I know they probably really not doing anything. Probably really not moving any inventory right now because, like I said, there's snow out here on the ground. And a lot of people don't like to come out when it's snowing and bad weather. So if you're new to my channel, again, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's see what's happening. Let's go. Look like we got a wide body scat right here. I think that's it. See, that's the scat right there. That joint covered in snow. That's cool. We're gonna go over there and see what's up though. But here's they got the police over here. That's dead. Guess we're gonna be going on that lot. Oh God, that's it right there. That's the wide body I wanted to look at. But the cop not so I guess I had to come back and check it out another day.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're gonna talk real quick about, y'all know how YouTubers be doing these giveaways. I know CJ on 32 does giveaways, Corey SSG does giveaways, and a lot of people been asking me, am I going to do a giveaway on my 300? CJ on 32 just did a giveaway on his 300C. I think it only had like 100 something miles on it. A YouTuber shared how much he actually makes doing these giveaways. So I just want to share this with you guys, man, so you can see why YouTubers do giveaways. And it's crazy because when I mention something about doing a giveaway on my channel, I always get a lot of pushback. People say, oh, I'm trying to rip off my subscribers, using my subscribers to pay off my car, a whole bunch of nonsense. But when I read the comments on other YouTubers' giveaways, everybody, oh, I got to enter this, oh, you this, or you that. You know, it's all positive stuff, but for some reason, when I mention it, there's always an issue. So, guys, I'm going to show you. When he did it, he actually showed a video, like he was actually showing it live. So check this out.
Look, let me show y'all something real quick, since they want to talk that rah-rah talk so goddamn much. Let me show you what Corey can do in 30 days. Speaking of game, in 30 days, this is one of the cars, like, in 30 days, that's 1.1 million in 30 days. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice.
Now, as you see, my man made $1 million off a giveaway. He gave away a Hellcat. And you know, a Hellcat, for right now, what, $100,000 for a Hellcat? But look what he made off the Hellcat doing the giveaway. And people wonder why YouTubers are doing giveaways. It's crazy because when I saw that, I thought about saying, hey man, shoot, I could buy me 10 daggone 300Cs if I do a giveaway on the one I got now. Shoot, I'm like, man, I don't know, what y'all think? Should I do a giveaway? If I do a giveaway, would you guys enter? I mean, to be honest, guys, I think it's a win-win situation. All you got to pay is what, $20, $50, $100, whatever it is to enter the giveaway, and you get to win a $60,000 car or a $100,000 car. Yeah, of course, the person doing the raffle is going to win. He's going to come up big time. But at the end of the day, everybody wins. So just leave in the comments, why are some of you guys against doing a giveaway? Why? What's the issue? Why do people hate on CJ so much when he does a giveaway? But that wasn't the only one he showed. I'm gonna show y'all a picture. He actually showed another car he did a giveaway. Check this out. Now, as you see, he's almost making $1 million a car, a giveaway, doing these giveaways, guys. So now I see how some of these YouTubers are able to keep buying cars and able to keep their channel fresh because look at my channel. My channel dying. You know why? Because nobody really cares about the 300 anymore. And I feel like on YouTube, in order to keep your channel active, you have to keep buying cars or getting different cars. Other than that, people lose interest, or it's only but so much you can do to a car. I mean, unless you out here doing crazy stuff, and we already talked about that. So not only did he show those two, but here's another one. Now this guy's making a killing, man. He's making a killing. So I started looking into it, starting to do some research, guys, to try to see how you do this legally. Is this stuff legal in my state, which is Maryland? So I'm going to have my attorney look into it. I'm just curious how this giveaway stuff works, because I'm actually curious. I'm actually looking into actually doing a giveaway. Not saying it's going to be my 300, but that's something to consider, especially if you're a car YouTuber. That way, it's a win-win for everybody. So leave your comments, guys. What if I was to do a giveaway? Would you enter? Why are people so against YouTubers doing giveaways? I'm just curious, guys. Leave your comments. I want y'all to interact with me on this one, because just look at how much money these guys are making, man. I mean, if it's legit, I understand it, but if it's illegal, it's not worth it to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm never going to do something illegal just to come up on a couple of dollars, because at the end of the day, it's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time for no legal troubles. I ain't that desperate for no money. But at the same time, that's just crazy amount of money these guys are making doing these giveaways. So I ain't gonna talk y'all to death, guys. Just leave your comments, tell me what y'all think. If you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Hopefully, I can bring the 300C back out here soon. The weather's supposed to clear up here, and if it's sunny and warm and there's no salt and stuff on the ground, then I bring the 300 back out. Other than that, it's gonna stay put up. So again, hit the like button, subscribe, leave your comments, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.